How to participate in the Peernetics ICO, powering the future of payments. Here are the steps to sign up to our ICO. Click the ICO sign up button on our homepage. Click here to sign up for an account. Enter your name, your email, and a chosen password. Once you've created the account, make sure you check your spam folder if you haven't received a verification email. If by any chance you haven't received an email, please email info@peernetics.io or reach out to us through our Peernetics Telegram. After you have successfully created an account, you can come back here and sign in using your email and your password. Once you've signed in, make sure you have connected your wallet. We have connected MetaMask for this tutorial. Then you click here to add your receiving wallet address. Please select Polygon receiving wallet or any ERC20 compatible wallet. Copy in your ERC20 wallet address here. After you've connected your wallet, click the Buy Token Now button. Select USDC or USDT. For this tutorial, we have selected USDC. Select your amount of PNS tokens and click Make Payment. Make sure all your details are correct and confirm. Then you send your tokens to the wallet address shown. Here we have selected USDC, so we will transfer the tokens to this USDC address. You can paste the wallet address your payment came from into this text box here to speed up the process. Then select Confirm Payment. Once the processing team have validated the purchase, you will receive an email confirmation. Make sure you connect with us across all our social media channels. Thank you for watching.